Hi there, little learners. This is your space friend, Gaga Poko, coming to you from Planet Poker. Today's story is called Underwater Adventure. Let's go. A long time ago, there was a cute yellow chick astronaut who loved to fly through space. One day, he was flying past a blue planet. It looked very pretty, so he decided to land his spaceship nearby. When he got out of his ship, he saw a big, shiny ocean. The chick astronaut had never seen so much water before. "Wow, what a wonderful place," he said. "I wonder if there's anybody here he wanted to explore." So he put on his special diving helmet and jumped into the water. Under the ocean, everything was full of colors. There were bright corals everywhere, glowing fish and seaweed that looked like they were dancing. The chick astronaut, or should I say scuba frog, he had big round eyes. They sparkled with joy. Then he saw something amazing. It was a pink octopus. It waved one of its 8 arms. "Hello," it said. "Hello," answered the chick astronaut. "I am Ollie, the octopus," said the octopus. "And what is your name?" "I am Gaga Poko," he replied slowly. "Nice to meet you, Gaga Poko," said Ali. "Welcome to our ocean home. Would you like to swim around and see all the beautiful things here?" "Yes, please," said Gaga Poko excitedly, and they started to swim. They played with the colorful fish and hid in the coral. Then suddenly they heard a soft cry. "Help, please, help," it said. Over there, a small sea turtle was stuck between 2 rocks. "Don't worry, little one," said Gaga Poko. He pushed the rocks with all his strength. With the help of Ollie, they finally pushed the rocks away. The turtle swam free. "Thank you," said the turtle. "You are welcome," replied Gaga Poko proudly. At that moment, a big group of tiny fish swam by quickly. Something was wrong. They pointed their fins toward a dark cave. "What's in that cave?" asked Gaga Poko. "That is the bubble monster," whispered Ali. "It blows big bubbles all day long, but now it's very angry. It's looking for its favorite pearl. It has lost it somewhere here," said the fish. "Can you help us find it, please?" "Of course," said Gaga Poko. He had a kind heart. He couldn't let the poor monster keep blowing those scary bubbles. Gaga Poko and Ollie swam into the cave. Inside, it was very dark. They shone their lights carefully, and in the corner, they saw a huge round pufferfish. It was blowing bubbles. "Excuse me," said Gaga Poko. "Are you the bubble monster?" The pufferfish stopped making scary noises and looked at them. "Yes, I am. Have you seen my favorite pearl anywhere?" "Yes, I have it," said Gaga Poko. He held it up. The pearl glowed brightly. "Oh, thank you," said the bubble monster. Its eyes were very kind. "You are welcome," said Gaga Poko. The bubble monster was no longer angry. It was happy again. "Yay," it said. "I can stop blowing bubbles now." All the sea creatures cheered. The fish danced around, the turtle spun happily, and the octopus gave Gaga Poko a big hug. Before leaving, Gaga Poko turned to his new friends and said slowly, "Let's say it together. Thank you." and all the sea creatures shouted, "Thank you, thank you." Then he swam back to his spaceship. He waved goodbye and flew away into the starry sky. "Today we learned new words," he said happily. "Hello, thank you. You are welcome. Can you say them with me? Hello, thank you. You are welcome. See you next time."